Hi everybody, it's Rob. This is the introduction video to a brand new course that I'm going to be doing on your image training and how you can get images, source images, resize them, work with them, use them, get good traffic out of them. Everything to do with images is inside of here. Just to give you a quick overview, incidentally, I'm amused as hell. I've written down the list of videos I'm going to be making, and I'm 41 videos deep inside of here. And the reason is simple. Images are actually very, very basic. But if you get them wrong, you will affect the website, your website's SEO, your rankings in a huge way. And you will affect the usability the readers find relating to your website in a huge way. Okay? So you've got to get it right, but once you understand what to do and you've been through all of this, if you look down here, I do a summary one where my method. So it's still under my methods. I'll show you what I do here, even though I talk about all the other stuff up there in other videos. When I get down to my method, the summary one, in fact, is what I do is I get an image. Normally in here it's a case of do as I say, don't do as I do, but these are the steps that I do. Now, what's really amusing the crap out of me is that in my list of 300 videos that I've got written above my head here, that list, you hear it? Inside of that list, these 41 videos were not included because I did have an image course. But now that I think about it, and when I went and found it, it was only about 15 videos, and pretty much it covered this. And it's silly for me to not talk about Jing, for example, or getting pre-done images or infographics. And so the more I thought about it, the more I realized that it's all very lovely that I know all this and I've done this. But I've got to show you. Now, I also want to introduce this sentence, and hopefully I will remember to repeat it time and time again. I'm not a graphics expert, okay? I'm an online marketer. So all of this information, by the way, and this all came out of my head, which is cool that with fibromyalgia and 59 years old, I've retained this much to do with images in my head. Once I plan it out like this, it works for me. Anyway, so if you're a real graphics expert, my apologies. I would love it if you contacted me, told me what you do, and added extra videos that will help other people do things better than my way. My way is mostly how I've learned to do it. So all of this is just what I've learned. It's very likely not the right way, but it works. So that's good enough for me. If it works for me, it'll work for you. As with any of this online marketing thing, especially related to fibromyalgia, you do not want to go wide and broad and do 300 videos. Sorry, I love to mock myself most of all. When you can put it all down, even this, 40-something videos, when in truth I could have ignored all of this and said to you, do it my way. Gone. Yeah, the summary. I could have put this out in 5 quick videos and said, look, forget all of this, keep it simple. But I realized that I'm not being fair to you, because some of you are going to contact me and say, yeah, but Rob, what about using Paint? Now, I haven't touched or used Paint for 5 years. But I'm going to go and find it. That's funny. Is it in Microsoft Paint? That sounds right. So I'm going to go find it and going to look at it and then make you a video that says, okay, if you know Paint, this is what it can or can't do. And I'll confess example with Paint. It's up here somewhere. There. No, Paint. I have no clue where it is. I'll confess that I'm not very good at it. Other Paint question mark. Okay, so that's enough introduction. Let's get started with the actual videos, the training. Let's get out of here. Cheers.